YouTube one answer, I'm there on the black, I'm there on the chat. You see me I say, big up all of my fans, I'm a long time in a soon. You see me I say, I'm there on the record and so I sweat still. But, yo, this is just a quick message. You see me I say, I send out. But just I send a message to Jamaican P. Yo, Jamaican P, what you dealing? Here what more you do for me? I want you give Beenie Man a little flag in there. Because Carleen put out on the social media where they make a video and daughter graduation say Beenie Man not spend no money on his daughter. You see me I say? So Beenie Man not paying child support. You see me I say? So I can't deal with him like how you deal with him. So but that's why I give him a little flagging, cut a tambourine switch. Just go cut one tambourine switch and flag him. You see me I say? And when you done that, we do another one with Jamaican Jack. Make sure Jamaican Jack get a flag off for him said way. You see me I say? So I look out for that video, you know. More you deal with it, you know. You see me I say? The right way. You see me I say? Because when a boy and pay them child support, they don't know anything set up. Yeah, so Jamaican P, big up yourself. Big up all our Jamaican P fans them over there on the large. You see me I say? Yeah man, and just look out for that video what Jamaican P I go upload because he go flag Beenie Man. You see me I say? He might cut a switch for Beenie Man. I don't know anything set up. Yeah man, I saw a thing set. You dip on the block. Big up on yourself. You're out.